6 months ago, my father passed away unexpectedly. It feels so surreal to even acknowledge it so openly. At the time, I had no idea how lost in the world I would feel in the coming months. While I was aware of the choices I was making, I kept telling myself that I needed to let it flow. And flow it did. To a point where I stopped having the motivation to do anything. The poem Metaphor of the Floating Life by Sung Lin describes this feeling perfectly. The feeling of a divided self, a sense of being everywhere and nowhere at once. While life seemed to gradually go back to normal, I found myself floating, detached and dissociated. I didn't want to see anyone, go out or socialize. To the world I was normal, but I was struggling, especially at home. Even the mundane of tasks felt like I had to move mountains. But then one fine day, I decided, it's enough. I had to show up for my family and my people. Yes, the loss I suffered is irrevocable, but I still need to show up for life, to meet her halfway, if not all the way. It stopped that day and it started with me. Tiny acts of rebellious self-care. Norm Kelly once said, "You cannot pour from an empty cup." And I'm focusing on filling my cup before I'm ready to pour from the overflow.